Hey guys, Sonance here, back to another video. In this video we're gonna make this future bounce drop from scratch. So a few days ago I had a poll on my YouTube in which style I should make a drop. So you all voted for a future bounce. So I'm gonna make a drop from scratch. I load up some samples from the Merc Equipment pack, sounding like this. So first, let's drag it in. So we're gonna use these three samples. So first of all, let's fit them to the tempo. We're gonna make a tune at 128 BPM in A minor, so let's pitch up the riser a bit to A minor. So now we're gonna make the drums. So just kick on every fourth, sounding like this. Then we're gonna add in drums, just like this. We're gonna add a clap at every second bar, the first part of the drop. And make sure to give it a fade out, sounding like this. So now let's copy over the clap, just like this. That's already it for the drums, so now let's dive into the bass line. So we're gonna use some presets from the Future Bounce pack I recently dropped. Future Bounce Firm 2, I will link it down below. So I guess we're gonna go for the Black bass, sounding like this. So we're in A minor. Just let's start off with an F. Then go to the G, just like this, and then let's go back to the roots. Something like this, then copy it over and down to the D, I guess. Let's see how it sounds. That's perfect. So then we're gonna make a slight variation to the second part for bass and drop. So I want to go for those double kicks. Just something like this. So let's put bass up an octave there. Just like it sounds cool. So then we're gonna give it a little sidechain. So that's the first channel. And then we're gonna volume quite a bit. Alright, so this already sounds kinda cool. So now let's make some chord steps at the first notes of the bass. So just something like this. So we're gonna go for chord presets. Let's go for this one, just simple saw chords. Just make some chords with it. We're in A minor, so we're gonna use these notes. Copy it over to the second part. Just like this. Sounds kinda cool. Let's make the notes a bit longer. shape the preset a bit, we're gonna need some more attack in the filter, so let's go for FO and right to the cutoff. So the trigger, just like it sounds fine. Get some more release as well, and some state. So now it's time to make the top melody. So we're gonna add another serum, and we're gonna go for, I guess we're gonna go for a plug, sounding like this. Let's put the volume up quite a bit. And put it up 1 octave. Something like this sounds cool. I know like the sound of the preset, so just choose another one. It's a bit too high, so lower that 1 octave. So I'll copy it over to the second part of the melody. So we need to switch this up. It's a D chord, so let's go from the A to the D. Just something like this. So you guys are gonna go for another lead. This one sounds kind of cool. It's a bit too high, so we're gonna go for this one. Disable the reverb and delay, and now we're gonna mix it in. So first, we're gonna give the low cut. Boost the highest bits, add some OTT, just like this, and add some delay, and some reverb. Gives a bit of low cut, just like this. Besides that, we need to sidechain it, of course. So now, sounds like this. I'm gonna do some mixing on the chords as well. So first, skip the low cut. So we're going for the bass line. Got up the highest. and boost some of the mids. Besides that, give it a sidechain. So now we're gonna mix it in with the bassline. Just something like this. And then we're gonna mix some of these. We just a bit more reverb. And need some compression. The high attack to give it lead some punch. Just like this. So now we got this. So I think we only need some crashes at the start of the drop. So I just found some crashes, some samples, some crash mirror, some delayed crash, and some crowd effects. So now let's mix it in. So I'll run them all to the mixer. First crash. It's too loud, so give low cut as well. Just something like this. Then add another crash. Sounding like this. Give low cut as well. And mixed in. And we're gonna do the same for the FX. So it really feels on the drop. Let's add this one to the second bar of the drop. I'm gonna switch up the chord as well. So move it to the second kick. Just like this. Really get some more groove and energy to the drop. So the final result we got is something like this. And that's it. So if you like the video, please leave a like, to see more, and the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.